What you doing?
Look, I'm finally getting the damn intake manifold on Patrick's motor.
So AutoZone bolts are fucking half-inch increment?
Yes.
And we have to go half an inch down from where we are. It's just a little bit too loose.
I'm not calling them again. My man just doing a little finger painting.
You doing my finger painting?
Yeah.
I knew you were good at something with your artsy fartsy page.
I am good at art.
I know you are.
I'm gonna make that wall next to my shelf in the storage area. You know, the shelf has all my bins on it.
Mm-hmm.
That little wall. I'm gonna probably put all my art there.
Nice.
It'll become the gallery.
Very
So
cool.
people can come buy prints. Because, you know, people want to buy my shitty work. Well, apparently they want to buy my shitty car work. Just kidding, the car work isn't shitty. My artwork's questionable.
Still waiting for mine.
I know. I keep finding other things I need to draw that are like, ooh.
Intake?
In a minute. I need to go, where's this little, I need to give it a little bloop. A little boop. We'll give it a boop. I'm going to go boop, boop, boop. Now let's go up here, just get that little bit. Just give it a little bit of a thing. Everybody's gonna be like, that's too much. Yeah, well, when it doesn't piss oil out the back, it ain't gonna be too much, huh?
Well, the cool part is once we bolt it down, we can go.
Yep, give it the little finger bang.
Mm-hmm.
Give it a little bit more, just to... Don't tell me it's up. This one's...
I think that one's dead now.
Yep.
But that's okay.
Yeah, luckily we just need the end of that to dip our bolts in. And pull them out.
Do you want to help with that?
I will, yes.
Okay, we'll batch you guys in a minute.
That's what you mean.
All right.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
You have this?
Let me see you do the...
Oh, there's lots in here, dude.
Oh, here, squeeze me.
Yay!
Alright, I'm just snugging them all down for now, and then I'll go get the torque wrench and we'll finish it off.
And
then we'll do a little fun time here with our silicone.
as soon as it's torqued down, I'll be like,
Yep.
and then I'll just be like, then he'll be mad because he'll be like, man, he'll be in the shower trying to scrub that off. I'm like, good luck.
Laundry soap will actually break it up a little bit.
Does it?
Yeah, it's not 100%, but it does most of it.
Oh.
You know what else gets it off your fingers?
Don't say it.
Some old dude that worked at the old AutoZone in Palm Desert like 25 years ago. I came in all with my hands all dirty.
Hey, what did you say? What did he say?
It
You
was
don't have a girlfriend?
Valentine's Day. He's like, I know it's going to get your fingers clean later. And I was like, Jesus Christ. I was like, all right.
All right, guys. All
This
right.
old man knows what's up. It's like, how do you know him?
Until next time. What are you doing there?
It's working.
What about?
35.
Come on. Almost there.
27. Thanks, Andrew. You ever done that? Yes. I've had it do it We gotta tell him the story about Matt's Honda one time.
Oh,
When someone gave
dude.
him the wrong torque spec,
Yeah.
and he was doing it in the driveway at my house.
I wasn't there for that, but I heard about it.
He still has the
torque spec.
It was supposed to be inch pounds, and they gave it to him foot pounds.
Yeah.
I had to fucking basically machine the thing in the driveway, and I got the bolt out, and then I welded it to a piece of plate and made a plaque, so we always remember it. He still has the plaque.
Does he really?
Mm-hmm.
What was this on?
Here's a cord.
No, I mean, like, was it a head bolt? Or?
No, it was a cam cap.
That's right.
You know, head on a Honda.
He was so proud. Bobby was so proud of himself.
I got it out.
Which I don't blame you.
That was a fucking ordeal. Like, the cops even came because we were out there all night trying to get it out.
Yep.
I'm like, well, we ain't got another choice, so you might as well just kick rocks.
If you're in the right ticket, go for it. We're still gonna do
Right
it.
ticket, I gotta get this done. I don't give a shit. Don't waste my time. Alright. Almost. Jesus. So close.
Don't you hate that?
It's like, come on, don't break off.
Right?
No, 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 no.
Don't do it.
Don't kill yourself. Ready?
I'll give you some more room here.
You might want to go across the back with the silicone. Just give it a little.
Go do the last one. Watch that.
While you're playing with the silicone, I can.
I'm not gonna play the silicone.
Thank God, I hate it when it's just like left.
No, I hate it when people do that.
I know.
No, Bill Lewis said.
Fucking torque the head's coming back at 130 foot-pounds.
That's not terrible. That's not that much.
Your fucking torque wrench even go up to 150
It
pounds?
goes 250.
But still.
This thing was not cheap when I bought it.
All right. Well, that was my phone for right now. I'll let you deal with the rest.
You can do the front one because I'm going to start the valvetrain. So we got our push rods back in on our lifters. And I did put our lash caps because we had just a little bit of lash. So I put our lash caps on our valve tips. So that's all ready to go. So I'm going to put our rockers on this side, get that all situated. Just get it loose. I'm not going to go torque them yet. And then I'll do the other side and we'll handle it. Right, Donkey?
Sure.
Right, Burnsy?
I guess. Saying the day.
Yeah, we're tired. I'm going to torque this side down. But that's looking really good. Right. Look at that. It's actually together. Yay! Tomorrow I can actually prime the oil system. I'm excited. Shout out to my buddy Matt Goodwin at Manton Push Rods for hooking it up on these push rods that are the perfect length for what we're doing for this hydraulic roller conversion. Awesome! Thanks, buddy. Patrick, get excited.